Hello students, in this video you will learn about the division of two-digit number by one-digit number using long division method. So here I have taken the numbers 24 divided by 2. Students, if you remember that I have told you in the beginning of the chapter also the number to be divided, जिस number को हम divide करें that is known as dividend. जिसको हम divide करें that is known as dividend, and the number by which we are dividing, जिससे हम divide करें that is known as divisor. Now let's start how we can divide by using the long division method. Now students, before beginning with the long division, we have to arrange the given numbers in the long division form. This is a long division form. Here we write divisor. This is a divisor, and here we need to write the dividend, right? Whatever the quotient will be there, that we'll write here. Okay, now let's see how do we start with the long division. Now students, every time we are going to take only one digit. हम हर बार एक digit use करेंगे. And one thing more, we are not going to start from the ones place, we will start from the tens place, right? Now you can see what is the digit in the tens place. The digit in the tens place is 2. What is the digit in the tens place? Tens place के digit पे 2 है. Now we'll read out the table of the divisor and we'll see how many times 2 occurs in the table of divisor. So 2 ones 2. So you can see in the table of divisor, that is in the table of 2, 2 occurs how many times? 1 time. 2 कितने times आ रहा है? 1 time. So we'll write 1 in the quotient in tens place. 2 ones, we have to multiply the divisor with the quotient. 2 ones 2. Now we need to subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now what we'll do, we'll bring down the next digit. I'm repeating the steps. What we did, we are going to take only one digit at a time. हम एक बार में एक ही digit use करेंगे. Okay, and we'll not start from ones place digit. We'll start from the tens place. Now the digit in the tens place is 2. Now we'll check in the table of the divisor that this 2 divisor की table में ये number कितने times आता है. So you can see in the table of the divisor, in the table of 2, 2 ones are 2. 2 occurs how many times? 1 time. 2 कितने times आ रहा है? 1 time आ रहा है. So we have written 1 in the quotient in tens place. Why in tens place? Because we have divided the tens place digit, right? We are using the tens place digit, and we need to multiply the divisor by the quotient. 2 ones are 2. Now we have subtracted here. 2 minus 2 is 0. What's the next step we did? We have brought the next digit, right? Now again we'll read out the table of the divisor. फिर से हम 2 की table read करेंगे and we'll check. Then now your dividend is this, right? क्योंकि अब हम इसको divide करेंगे. Now we'll check in the table of the divisor again that this number occurs how many times. So let's read out the table further. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So you can see 4 occurs in the table of divisor how many times? It occurs 2 times. 2 की table में 4 कितने times आ रहा है? 2 times आ रहा है. So we'll write 2 over here. As I told you, we'll multiply the divisor with the number with the digit written over here in the question. 2 twos are 4. We'll subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. This is known as quotient. This is known as quotient, and whatever we are left with the number in the last, जब हम division करने के बाद जो भी हमारे पास last में number leave होगा, बचेगा, left होगा, that number is known as remainder. What is it known as? It is known as remainder. So our quotient is 12. Quotient is the answer of the division. Quotient क्या होता है? जो divide करके जो हमारा answer आता है, that is known as quotient. So our answer of division or our quotient is 12 and remainder is 0. Remainder is the number that is left after completing the division. Now let us consider one more example. 72 divided by 3. Here in this we have to divide 72 by 3. So 72 is dividend and 3 is the divisor. Let's arrange the numbers. Now this is ones place and this is tens place. Divisor is 3. So we'll write it here. Now again we'll take only one digit, right? Now what is the digit here? The digit here is 7. Let's read out the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Now students, I am not getting the same number. मुझे 7 तो मिल नहीं रहा है 3 की टेबल में. So which multiple I am going to take? You can see this 9 is greater than 7. ये 9 जो है, it is greater than 7. So I cannot write this 9 over here because I cannot subtract the greater number from the smaller number, right? So what I'll do, I'll take the multiple that is above it, the previous multiple. So 3 times I'm getting the greater number. 3 times मुझे greater मिल रहा है, so I'll take 2 times. I'll take 6. How many times? 2 times. So I'll write 2 over here. 3 multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6. I can easily subtract, right? 7 minus 6, that is 1. Again I'm repeating the step. I have taken only one digit. Every time we have to take one digit, right? Now what we'll do, we'll read out the table of 3 to get this number. So I have read the table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. I'm not getting 7. I'm getting 9, but 9 is greater than 7, so I cannot write it over here. So I have taken the multiple which is above this. So the above multiple, that is 2 times. I'm getting 6, so I have taken 6. I can easily subtract how many times I'm getting 6? 2 times, so that is why I have written 2. 3 twos are 6. Now we'll subtract 7 minus 6, that is 1. Now what is the next step? I'll bring down the next digit. I'll write the next digit. Now what this number becomes now? 12. This number becomes 12. Now I'll read out the table further. 3 threes are 9, then 3 fours are 12. You can see I'm getting this 12 in the table of the divisor. How many times I'm getting it? 4 times. I'm getting 12 how many times? 4 times. So I'll write 4 here and I'll write 12 over here. Now again we'll subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So right, you can write 0 one time. So I have used up all the digits and I have left with no more digits over here, right? So whatever the quotient is there, this is a quotient is 24, means the answer of the division. And I told you what is remainder. Remainder is the number which is left after division. So what is the remainder over here? Remainder is 0. The last we'll write here quotient is 24 and remainder is 0. Now students, based on the previous videos that I have explained, we will be starting with exercise 5.4 given on page number 87 in your maths book. Let's begin with question number 1. You have to divide. The numbers are already arranged in the long division form. Now we'll follow the same rules. First we'll start from the tens place and every time we are going to take only one digit. Now what is the first digit here? The digit is 3, right? So we'll read out the table of the divisor and we'll see that 3 occurs how many times in the table of 2. So let's write the table of the divisor. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. You can see we are not getting 3. We are getting a multiple which is greater than 3. That is 4. हमें 3 नहीं मिल रहा है divisor की table में. We are getting greater than 3. That is 4. But we cannot take 4 because we cannot subtract 4 from 3. Right? So we are going to take the multiple that is above it. So we'll take 2. How many times it occurs in the table of the divisor? It is occurring one time. So what we'll do, we'll write 1 in the quotient. And as I told you, we have to multiply the divisor by the quotient. 2 ones are 2. right? Now what we'll do, we'll subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we'll bring down the next digit. अब हम next digit को इसके बराबर लिखेंगे. Now this number becomes the dividend. Now what is the number? This is 18. Now we'll read out the table of divisor further to get the number 18. Let's see. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. You can see we have got 18 in the table of divisor. How many times it occurs? 9 times. 2 की टेबल में 18 कितने times आ रहे? 9 times. So we'll write 9 in the quotient and 18 we'll write over here. 2 multiplied by 9, that is 18. We'll subtract, that will give you 0, right? So this number, as I told you, this number is called as quotient, that is the answer of the division. इस number को क्या बोलते हैं? Quotient बोलते हैं. The number written over here is known as quotient and it is also called as the answer of the division. And whatever is left after completing the division, that is known as remainder, right? So our remainder here is 0. Look at B part. Here we have to divide 84 by 4, right? So 84 is dividend and 4 is the divisor. We'll again follow the same rule. We'll start from the tens place. This is ones place and this is tens place. If you want, you can mark the places also. Ones and this is tens place. Here also you can mark in A part ones and this is tens place. Now we'll begin with the tens place digit. What is the digit over here? 8. Now we'll read out the table of 4. हमें divisor की table read करनी है to get this digit. Let's see. Let's read out the table of the divisor. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Always remember, we'll take only one digit at a time. हम हर बार एक ही digit लेंगे, right? Now you can see 8 occurs in the table of divisor. 4 की table में 8 आता है कितने times? It occurs 2 times, right? कितने times आ रहा है? 2 times. So what we'll do? We'll write 2 in the quotient. Here we'll write 2. 4 2s are 8. We'll write 8 over here. We'll subtract the two numbers. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now what we'll do? We'll bring down the next digit. It is 0 4. As you know, there is no value of 0 to the left of the number. So it will be read as 4. लेफ्ट में अगर लेफ्ट में 0 लगा है किसी डिजिट के तो उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है. तो हम इसे क्या रीड करेंगे? हम इसे 4 रीड करेंगे. Now we have to check in the table of the divisor. 4 की टेबल में ये 4 कितने टाइम्स अकर करता है? Let's see. We have already written the table and we can see 4 is occurring in the table of the divisor. How many times? 1 time. 4 जो है 4 की टेबल में, divisor की टेबल में कितने टाइम्स आ रहे हैं? 1 time. So we'll write 1 over here. 4 1s are. Every time you have to multiply the divisor with the quotient. 4 1s are 4. Now we'll subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. Again, the number that is written over here is known as quotient and this is also called as the answer of division. So our quotient here is 21 and whatever is left after completing the division is known as remainder. So our remainder is 0. Okay. So likewise, students, you have to complete till I part in your maths book only.